The texture of this cake is so nice. It's so soft. Hi guys, what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually super fun and very exciting और मुझे पता है कि मैं अपने हर वीडियो के लिए यही बोलती हूँ, पर आज का वीडियो एक्चुअली सुपर एक्साइटिंग है क्योंकि टुडे आई एम डूइंग अ 24-hour फूड चैलेंज and to make it even more special, it is me following Shivesh Bhatia's recipes for 24 hours. So I personally love watching these 24-hour food challenges. They make me super hungry, but they're also very entertaining at the same time. So because I love watching it, I thought you guys would also enjoy it. And I've also done a video like this, like a similar video like this previously. It is I ate like Sara Ali Khan for 24 hours. You guys can go watch it if you guys haven't. But if you guys are living under a rock and don't know who Shivesh Bhatia is, first of all, क्या कर रहे हो यार अपनी लाइफ के साथ? जाओ उन्हें अभी follow करो. But Shivesh Bhatia is basically an Indian food blogger who has an Instagram page of food, his own book and a YouTube channel. So he is like, you know, all out there. And he posts the most amazing and the most beautiful looking pictures of foods and really easy to follow recipes on his YouTube channel and his blog, of course. So I actually have tried a lot of his recipes, but I've never really posted about them or vlogged them or anything. So I thought it would be the perfect opportunity for me to vlog about it. And I hope that this video reaches Shivesh. And Shivesh, if you're watching this, I honestly love you. And if you're watching this, please comment so that I know you're watching this, and it low-key will make my day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is actually a very simple version because I try to only follow his simple recipes. But if you guys want like a part 2, I will follow like his complicated and like, you know, like more difficult recipes. Let me know by leaving a like and a comment and I will surely film those. But yeah, now without any more further blabbering, let's quickly get started. So because I'm doing only Shivesh's recipes for 24 hours, of course I'm going to go by breakfast, lunch and dinner. And how can I eat anything but Shivesh's famous chia seed puddings? So I follow him on Instagram and I'm sure all of you guys watching this do too. And all he really loves for his breakfast is his chia seed puddings. He has different variants and the recipe on his YouTube channel as well. Here, this one, I have the laptop here. So of course, because I'm following only his recipes, I'm going to start my day with some great chia seed pudding. I'm making the chocolate variant. So I'm quickly going to go and gather all the ingredients and then I'll start filming how I make it. Alright, so I have all my ingredients over here. I have some organic honey for sweetening. I have my chia seeds, my favorite cocoa powder, some vanilla essence. He hasn't asked for it, but I like some nice flavor to my puddings and my dessert and my breakfast, and some milk, of course. And now we're gonna quickly start assembling everything.
Again, 1 cup milk. लेंगे. Now this time what I do is कि इस 1 cup milk से थोड़ा सा reserve. And उसको I keep it in a separate bowl. And इसके अंदर I add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
My cocoa slushy looks something like his. अब मैं इसके अंदर honey और vanilla essence डालूंगी. It smells so good. Oh my god. 1/4 cups of chia seeds. Oh shit. Okay, I think this is enough. So why does mine look like this and his looks like put together? I hope I'm doing this right. Arey, itna simple. Good morning. So it's basically breakfast time and I'm so excited to have the chia seed pudding. It basically smells like dessert क्योंकि मैंने इसमें काफी सारा cocoa powder और honey डाला है. So it smells very chocolatey and very like sweet. And of course I've put some mangoes and I also have like some mango cubes side में. जब ये खत्म हो जाए मैं और डालूंगी. But I try to do what Shivesh usually does. आधे bowl में fruit, आधे में chia seed pudding. And I'm now going to be doing a taste test and seeing how I like it. So the chia seed pudding with the mangoes tastes amazing क्योंकि chocolate and mango combination मुझे काफी अच्छा लगता है. That's also how I like my sorbets and gelatos and stuff. So I like the combination of this. अगर कोई और fruit होता, mango नहीं होता, I'm not quite sure how I would have liked it. इसका texture though is something that you need to get accustomed to. Like the texture is a little putting off for me, but it's also tasty. So like I think I'll do with the texture because like it's basically like seeds, right? So it's a little grainy and a little like the texture is not exactly that of pudding, but of course this is not unhealthy pudding, so that's all okay. And this is a nice healthy breakfast option, something I would keep eating if mangoes are still in season. Like I give this like 5 stars. Now that breakfast is done, it is finally lunchtime, like the main meal of the day. I think it's the only savory meal that I'm gonna have today because Shivesh is a bakery chef. Like he only bakes, so there's hardly any savory dishes. So I saw his what I eat in a day and it had 2 savory dishes. One was a quinoa salad and the other one was pizza for the whole family. So he himself ate the quinoa salad and I don't really want to eat a quinoa salad on a weekend. So I'm gonna make pizza for the whole family. So let's quickly go and make some pizza. I'll have the recipe of his pizza base down below and the recipe of my sauce in case you guys want to go and make some pizza for you and your family. लास्ट में खा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने पूरे पिज्जा सबके लिए पहले बनाए, उन्होंने खाए, फिर अब मैं खा रही हूँ. This pizza is actually super nice. I really like it. It's damn nice. Shivesh के इस पे when I saw his what I eat in a day, he had mushrooms and all of that. But my local vegetable vendor does not have mushrooms and basil and all the bougie stuff. So all my pizza has is loads of corn, 3 types of cheese, parmesan, normal mozzarella and another cheese. And it has jalapenos, corn, capsicum. That is all my pizza have. And it's actually super tasty. I'll have the recipe down below in case you guys want to follow. It's actually a damn nice and very easy recipe. It will take some time though. तो अब मैं जल्दी से थोड़ा सा Netflix देखूंगी, अपना last slice of pizza खाऊंगी, and after that I'm making some dalgona coffee. My father loves beaten coffee and Shivesh has a video on dalgona coffee, so I think that will also be a Shivesh recipe and something to cool down after so much pizza. Alright, so it's around 6 o'clock right now and all of us are in the mood for some good coffee. We're all cold coffee fans and we all love a nice strong cup of coffee. So of course, what is better than beaten coffee? I think beaten coffee से coffee का taste बहुत better आता है. And beaten coffee is also popularly called as dalgona coffee now in TikTok and Instagram terms. And Shivesh was actually the first person I came across making dalgona coffee and I thought it was very pretty. And that's how I made it. So I know Shivesh for dalgona coffee. मुझे पता है कि उनकी recipe, he made a lot of different variants also, and a lot of people on Instagram in India started posting about it. And I saw that happen only after Shivesh's YouTube video. So of course, because I'm only making Shivesh's recipe, I'm also going to be making dalgona coffee and just not normal mixer wali coffee. I'm going to be using 4 spoons coffee, and I'm going to be using the same amount of sugar. So 4 spoons. And then I'm going to be using the same amount of water. इसे मैंने गरम कर लिया है. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is. So my foam is ready. It's really firm also, but the only thing is थोड़ा सा ऊपर I can see like sugar granules. I don't know what exactly I did wrong, but this is so done. आपको डालगोना कॉफी अच्छी लगी? क्या आपको डालगोना कॉफी अच्छी लगी? पी के देखो, पी के देखो बताओ। अच्छी है। Hey guys, so it is 10 o'clock right now and it's night time, and of course because we had an early dinner, we're not having another dinner, but of course I have to make the third dish for the day. So I'm actually making the chocolate mug cake recipe by Shivesh. Now he did a collab with Cherry, who's the OG Indian YouTuber, and they did this super amazing collab where they made this really easy chocolate mug cake, and that's exactly what I'm going to be making. This is actually on Cherry's video, but it is Shivesh's recipe. So all you need for this is 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to be using wheat. You need 1/4 cup of caster sugar. I'm going to be using normal sugar light, which is basically half stevia, half normal sugar. Cocoa powder, baking soda, pinch of salt, oil, milk, water, vanilla, and that's it. So let's quickly get started. So I've put 1/4 cup of normal wheat flour. I don't use maida anymore. I've just stopped using maida. Even the pizza bases today were just whole wheat. So yeah. So next we need 1/4 cup of sugar. But I wanted to just show you guys that the sugar I'm using is actually called Sugar Light. This is basically 50% sugar with stevia, so it's so you need basically half the quantity of what you would use. So instead of a whole 1/4 cup, I'm using less than 1/4 cup, and it is just as good as normal sugar, just has 50% less calories. So if you guys are some people who look who are a little health conscious, you all can get your hands on this. It's super nice. Dude, this literally looks like really nice brownie batter. Now we're gonna put this in the micro. Oh my god, this rose so well. Itna sa tha, itna ho gaya. So here's the mug cake. I'm gonna insert a close up, but this is so nice and oh my god. You guys love chocolate mug cakes. This is something you need to try. If you're someone like me and who likes a nice rich chocolate, maybe put half or 1 spoon more cocoa powder. But this is so good. The texture of this cake is so nice. It's so soft and moist. It's moist but also so soft and so it literally melts in your mouth. I'm not even kidding. It melts in your mouth. It's so good. So that was it for today's video. I hope that you guys had a lot of fun watching this. I too had a blast making all that food and eating all that, and of course my family did too. This was a very simple video, but if you guys want me to follow his difficult and more complicated recipes, let me know and I will surely make a part 2. So like kar do or comment kar do ताकि मुझे पता पड़ जाए you guys want a part 2. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and also of course hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, with all that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.